Speakers Bureau Toastmaster presents Terry Moore, a professional speaker. Terry is an eclectic speaker who functions in a variety of roles, and his family, along with his speaking career, come together to form an exciting time for Terry Moore. Get to know him.
You meet so many different people who can come into your lives, who can help you to get from point A to point B. It really gives you an opportunity to share thoughts and feelings that bless other people and help their lives, which is rewarding to your own self. If being an actor today gives me the best response and is blessing people there, then I'll take it. If being a poet on another day is the thing that people are enjoying, then I'll take it. If being a motivational speaker is the thing the next day, if being a teacher, if whatever it is, God just uses me as a vessel, and whatever he'll have me to do, I'm happy with that. But it's really not up to me. It's up to the people that are listening to me or around me or taking me in. Being able to speak helps me because I try to emulate the person that I am at home, that my family gets to know, that my wife and daughter get to know, and the experiences that we have only make me stronger and more informed. I have the confidence and support from them because I have to prepare my mind, my speech, my thoughts, and everything prior to getting in front of an audience. It also keeps my wheels rolling. And so by the time I get on stage, I've used constructive time to get to that place. And when I get there, I'm excited and just ready to burst with information and thoughts. And it's exciting.